This is the second part to Unit 2, Section 4. 16, 4x squared plus 44x plus 121 is a parabola opening up, already in standard form. I factored it, 2x plus 11 and 2x plus 11. You could have used a quadratic formula. Negative 11 over 2, 0 is the x-intercept. Then I put 0 in for the x's. 0, 121 is the y-intercept. The vertex is found with negative b, so negative 44 over 2 times 4 reduces to negative 11 over 2. So negative 11 over 2, 0 is the vertex. Then I came over and made the table. Negative 11 over 2, 0 is where we started. That's negative 5.5, so I went on each side of it. Negative 5, negative 6, negative 4, and negative 7, either from the calculator as I showed you, but I find these points and plot it. Now, number 17. This is a circle. In our work, the only thing squared we're going to have is going to be a circle when both are squared. It's not a function. Okay, x minus 2, quantity squared, and y plus y minus 3, quantity squared, equals 9, is a circle in standard form. You take from the x minus 2, you set that equal to 0. That gives you your x-coordinate. X minus 2 equal to 0 is 2 for the x-coordinate. Y minus 3 equal to 0 is 3 for the y-coordinate. 2, 3 is our center. Then the number out here, 9, the square root of 9 is 3. So from our center, we went 3 to the right. So our center was 2, 3. So I added 2 to the 3, made 5. 3 is a point on the outside. Then I added 3 to the y-coordinate. So 2, 6 is a point up here. Then I subtracted 3 from the x-coordinate. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. 3 over here is a point on the circle. Then I subtracted 3 from the 3, so 2, 0. Then I connected these 4 points around the outside of the center, and I have my circle drawn. 18 is a line, which is we've worked a lot on, so that's a line. There's what you do. Then number 19 is also in standard form. X plus 1 quantity squared plus y squared equals 1. From the x plus 1, we set that equal to 0, so negative 1 is the x-coordinate. From the y squared, it's y plus 0, so it's 0 for the y-coordinate. Negative 1, 0 is the center. Then the radius, the square root of this number out here, 1 is 1. So center is negative 1, 0. 1 to the right is 0, 0. 1 up is negative 1, 1. 1 to the left is negative 2, 0. 1 down is negative 1, negative 1. Then I drew my circle. The next one will be the last circle we do. We will skip the other two, but we need to get this circle, x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 6y equals 12 into standard form of our circle, which is shown down here. What you do is you take half of the number next to the x, negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Square that, that's 4. We put the 4 with x squared minus 4x plus 4. That's called completing the square. Then we do the same thing over here. On the negative 6, we take half of the negative 6 is negative 3. Square that is 9. So we add 9 to this side here. So I've added 4 and I've added 9. So I must add 4 and 9 to the other side. Now with having x squared minus 4x plus 4, that factors to x minus 2, x minus 2. Y squared minus 6y plus 9 factors to y minus 3, quantity squared. Adding these numbers together is 25. So again, from the x minus 2, we take 2 for the center of the circle. From the y minus 3, we take 3. So 2, 3 is the center of the circle. 2 to the right, up 3. Square root of 25 is 5. So 2, 3, I added 5 to the 2, made 7, 3. I added 5 to the y-coordinate, 3, made 8. I subtracted 5 from the x-coordinate, 2. 2 minus 5 is negative 3, 3. Then, point down here. I subtracted 5 from the y-coordinate, 3. So 2, negative 2 down here. Then I drew my circle. That concludes the lecture on Unit 2, Section 4.